another one is positioning the layer after this yellow cross. So after we form the yellow cross, it's positioning the layer. So what positioning the layer is, it will either be diagonal or adjacent. Okay, there are two types. So first let me see what kind of it is. Here, this one, let me get it for better view. So here it is. The position is correct: blue, orange, yellow. Okay, so green and pink, this one is not correct. Green, not correct. Green, orange, not correct. Blue, pink. So this one is adjacent, okay, because you can see here blue, pink, it matches. Blue center here, pink. The order doesn't matter right now, okay, just the positioning, this doesn't match. Okay, orange, green, it matches. Orange doesn't matches. Okay, green, orange should be here, and green, pink should be here. Okay, so this and this should swap. Okay, you can see pink, here orange, here it should pink, here it matches. Okay, orange, you can see here orange, and this blue here. Okay, so putting this adjacent side in the right side, this side. Okay, perform the right AL 3 times. Hmm, 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 then spin right. Okay, then take this, perform the left AL. This. Okay, now see if they are arranged or not. They must be arranged. Okay, for better view we'll just rotate this. Okay, so here it matches. Blue, pink, blue, pink, green, pink and green. Okay, so it matches. And orange, green, it matches. And let's see, orange and blue, so it matches. Now we must twist these layers so that the yellow, okay, we'll talk that in the later video.